What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in your 2021 Jeep Cherokee. So the first step is going to be to remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. There's a little button right here. We're going to slide to the right, and then the key will come right out. Now if you look at the bottom of this guy here, here's a slit right here. That's going to allow us to separate the remote in half, okay, or split the remote in half. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to do that. Just going to stick it in here, and I'm going to kind of twist it, and it easily just opens right back up. And we can just carefully split it, okay. I'll take this cover off like this. Okay, now that we have it open like that, we are going to pull out this inner piece. All right. And then we're going to take off the buttons. All right. So that will expose the battery. Okay. Get the battery out. I'm just going to slide it right out of here like so, using my flathead screwdriver. All right, and we'll get a new battery. So the new battery, the size is a CR2032. I'm going to leave a link in the description box that takes you to Amazon, where you can buy like 5 of these batteries for like $5. So we're gonna have the positive side facing us, slide it back in like that. Okay, we're gonna take this, put this back on the back half cover like this. Okay, get the plastic trim, put it on here, get the other trim ring, snap it on here, it just snaps right on. Emergency key back in, and we're all done. Well, I hope the video was helpful, and if it was, really appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. You guys take care, be safe. Have a great weekend.